Hi everybody, AR Critic here. In the new update for Photoshop, they introduced several changes, including a new adjustment brush, an updated Adobe Firefly image model for generating images. But the one thing that I wanted to share with you that I think is the most useful one, at least for me, and I'm sure for many others, this is the reference image. This feature allows you to select an area in your image and apply a style with a reference from another image. This is very useful. I remember with Midjourney, many people ask, want to apply things to my images based on other styles. Here you can actually do that. So basically what you can do is bring certain elements, again, as inspiration, it's not a copy of, into another image. So in this example, I'm just selecting an entire frog, but because I'm selected the head, the AI will know that I'm actually referring to changing the head, and it will actually bring a frog face, not the same one, but again, you're going to get inspiration for that image, in quotation inspiration, and we're going to generate this. The transition, of course, is very, very smooth, as you can see, between the original image and the reference image, and you have 3 variations. You can continue generating more until you get what you want. If, for example, I'm selecting the bag only, just selecting around it, so this is the area that I want to make a change, and I want to just choose, let's say, another bag. I'm going to hit generate fill, and then the reference image, choose an image, in this case kind of a drawing of a bag, and I'm going to generate it. So I'm just going to speed it up, of course, for the sake of this video, and you can see that it brought the style of the bag here, different, of course, variation. It's not the same exact copy of what you see there, and I can just browse through and generate more if I like to. And the results are really well made. As you can see, integrates very well with the overall image. Now I wanted to trick it out. Basically, I chose 2 shoes in an image, high heel shoes. I chose the areas at the bottom, you can see there, of the shoes of the girl. And I wanted to see how accurate it will actually do it, even if I brought just 2 instead of just 1 sample of a shoe. And actually, it's not perfect, but the results are pretty impressive. I mean, this wasn't that great, but this will look nice. But you can generate more until you get what you like, but definitely you need a bit more improvement there in order to make it better. So I generated more until I got what you see in a moment. This one actually looks better. It's not. This one actually looks nice. Yeah, so overall, actually surprised it actually was using the reference images, even although it wasn't really the right orientation, for example, and put something that results in something that looks pretty nice. Now I can give you an example when sometimes it doesn't work and it should be improved. Like I chose a model, front face of a model, the entire basically upper part of the body, and I try to apply it to the selection of the face, not so the face, at the back of the head of the girl, to see if it will create something that just maintains the face facing forward, and will do the same thing with the model. But it didn't, as you can see, just put like that. And all the 3 images, I tried to generate more, it was the same. But if you go with something from the front, it will generate something well. So overall, very useful in my opinion. Again, if you want to alter your images in a way and you don't want to use the same copy of something, you're just going to get inspiration for something, so get a reference from an image with generative AI. This will do a very, very good job. And of course, you just need to make sure to choose the right images and sometimes the orientation. But again, you can see that even though that I'm not providing the best images, it still can generate something good. And that is for this video. If you have Photoshop, try it out. I see you in the next video with more cool tools and some AI discoveries. See you on the next guide. Cheers.